Alipat tayo. Atat na lang tayo. Ayan, lipat ka.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hello, Pimili, and welcome to another airsoft game. Let's do some target practice, shall we? "12 targets under 11 seconds. Not bad. This is a death match. This is one of my favorite part of the game site in Hosla. The speedball area, it's really spacious, and the cycle of matches are very quick. I'm not really good at shooting on my left shoulder, so it leaves my entire left torso exposed. I need to do more practice on that. And also the zoom camera is a little bit blurry because of the polycarb that I put to protect its lens, because earlier that day we were playing inside a building and the situation is very tight, and I fear that someone might shot my lens. Let's see that again in slow motion, because we can. One out of 3, not bad. And then there's that pesky Deadpool again. I'm such a noob at aiming. But I have a plan. Just want to get his attention, and then my teammate whack him. Again, shout out to the Deadpool from another timeline, for being a sport. Deadpool got me here. Oh man, but I need to avenge my death. Gonna tap that ass.
Sexy motherfucker.
There can only be one. I decided to compile a video of some of the footage that I got during my time playing Hosla. Some of these are questionable, and I'll let you decide. The dude on the far end happens to be a friendly, so sorry about that. Here is another questionable video. At this point, I saw him peek on my right side, and at this distance, I'm sure I can hit him with no problem. As I waited, and as he peeks on my left, Wait for it. He shot first, and then I returned fire with 1 and 2 BB that hits his forearm. The last questionable video is a little bit different, and it's also a little bit intense.
No!
Let's see that again, shall we? As I enter the door, I shot 2 rounds, and I'm not sure if I hit someone there. And as I push on my left, I know that someone will be there. And I thought that I got him with my first shot, but upon reviewing, my first shot is really far right. So I really missed him way too much. But my second shot, I'm not sure. Maybe my gun jammed or he didn't feel it. Because of the fact that I lowered down my helmet, I did not really see the BB if it went through. Again, shout out to the other Deadpool from another timeline. You're the best, bro. And this is Uber Awesome Arm. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.